Friends, have you ever felt that life keeps testing you again and again? No matter how hard you try, challenges keep knocking at your door. In those moments, when your heart feels heavy and your mind wants to give up, remember this Buddhist story. It teaches two powerful truths that can carry you through any storm. Long ago, in a quiet village surrounded by forests and rivers, lived a young man named Arjun. He was hardworking, but his life was filled with endless struggles. His crops failed. His hut leaked during rains. His debts grew heavier and heavier. Every night he sighed, "Why me? Why does life only give me pain?" Finally, one day, he broke down. Hopeless, Arjun climbed up to a hill to meet a wise Buddhist monk. With tears in his eyes, he said, "Master, my life is drowning in hardship. Please teach me, how can I survive these storms?" The monk listened quietly. Then he said, "Come with me, Arjun. I will show you two truths you must never forget in hard times." The monk led Arjun to a narrow forest path filled with sharp stones. "Walk barefoot on this path," he said. Arjun hesitated but obeyed. Soon his feet began to bleed as he stepped on the stones. "Master, this path is painful. How can I go on?" The monk asked calmly, "What are your choices, Arjun?" Arjun thought for a moment and then replied, "I can stop walking, or I can complain about the pain, or I can walk carefully step by step, avoiding the sharpest stones." The monk smiled and said, "Exactly, my son. Life will always put sharp stones in your way. You cannot remove them all, but you can choose how you walk. You can step with awareness, shove aside the stones that block your path, and move forward with strength, courage, and belief. Every stone that hurts your foot teaches you to walk more carefully. Likewise, every hardship in your life teaches you something vital for your journey. Suffering is a teacher. Challenges do not exist to stop you. They exist to make you stronger." Arjun's eyes widened. The first truth struck his heart deeply. The monk then led Arjun to a river, swollen and muddy after heavy rains. The water roared as if it would never calm down. "Do you think this river will stay like this forever?" the monk asked. Arjun shook his head. "No, master. When the rains stop, the water will settle." The monk placed a hand on his shoulder. "Exactly. No storm in life is permanent. Every pain, every hardship will eventually fade. But you must have patience. You must have faith in God's plan. This too shall pass. This is what you have to remember." For the first time in years, Arjun felt hope rising in his heart. The monk then concluded, "Arjun, when life becomes heavy, remember two things. First, challenges will always come, but you have the power to choose your response. Second, have patience and faith in God, and remind yourself, this too shall pass." Arjun bowed deeply, his tears now filled with gratitude. From that day on, whenever difficulties struck, Arjun whispered to himself, "I cannot control what happens, but I can control how I respond. And I believe this storm too will pass." Years later, when others came to him in despair, Arjun shared the same wisdom that had saved him. Do not fear hardships. Remember these two truths. Your response is in your hands. And with patience and faith in God, every storm will eventually fade away. So, friends, when you face hard times, ask yourself, how will I respond? And whisper with faith, this too shall pass. And remember, storms don't last forever, but strong people do. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such motivational stories. Let's grow together, one story at a time. Until next time, stay calm, stay kind, and keep growing with every story.